Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marisol, 38 years old. I am from Negros Occidental, Philippines. I am married. I have three sons, age 11, 8, and 5. I am high school graduate. My expertise are cleaning and childcare. I work as a domestic helper in Malaysia for 2 years, from January 2023 to December 2024. I serve one couple and two daughters, aged 17 and 27 years old. My duties are cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and taking care of 3 months old baby. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for my children's better future. I am willing to take good care of an elderly and a newborn baby. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your household because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, respectful, and kind. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.